Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc, B.Ed, JDBC 8th semester. We will discuss the practical session cytological characterization of DNA by fusion stainings. Demonstration of nucleic acids, general notes, fixation. Nucleic acids are best preserved in alcoholic and acidic fixatives, that is corner fluids. Low temperature fixations in neutral buffered formalin gives acceptable results. Decalcifications. Strong inorganic acid must be avoided and organic acid permits acceptable results. Basophilia, both DNA and RNA stains strongly with most cationic dyes. DNA demonstrations by fusion techniques. Fusion reactions, mild acid hydrolysis employing 1 m HCl at 60 degrees centigrade is used to break the purine deoxyribose bonds. The resulting aldehydes are then demonstrated by Schiff reagents. The ribose purines bond is unaffected by hydrolysis and the RNA is not demonstrated. Fusion reactions used in conjugation with microdystrophy to study cancers. Generally, the concentration of DNA in nuclei and mitochondria is too low to permit detection by these strains. Can be useful to quantify amount of DNA. Phospholipids may give fusion reactions in Christost technique but not in paraffin techniques. Fusion naphthoic acid hydrazed methods. This technique can be used as control methods for standard fusion reactions. The sections are hydrolyzed in 1 m HCl as in the fusion reactions. The aldehydes produced by this hydrolysis are coupled with 2-hydroxy-3-naphthoic acid, which in turn is coupled with diazoxium salts, first blue grains. Seen these slides of fusion stains. Glycosine chrome alum methods. The phosphoric acid of the nucleic acid of both DNA and RNA combined with glycosine chrome alum at acid pH. Fluorescence methods. The most used method in acridine orange techniques, in which DNA stains yellow green and RNA stain red. Okay, thank you students.